Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. Today video we are going to be learning how to make pasta. I'm going to be teaching how to make a perfect pasta. Some of us, when making pasta, we normally break it then when I don't know it, but now I'm going to teach you in a way that by the time you finish cooking it, you can even eat it without putting stew on it. So our ingredient for today's pasta is going to be spaghetti and salt, our vegetable oil. So let's get started. Okay, I've heated my water. So in my water, I'm going to allow our water to boil before adding our pasta. Alright, we are here to check our pasta. Whenever you are cooking it, you need to use your fork to stir it so that it won't gum together. Look at it. Wow. Pasta is ready. I'm going to be putting off my gas. As you can see, our spaghetti is beautiful and it's not burnt together. Like this, you can eat it without even adding stew to it. Thank you for watching. Please like,